Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to set up and use personal voice on your iPhone. Personal voice is an innovative accessibility feature that lets you create voice model of yourself, which can then be used with live speech to type and speak messages in your voice. So, if you're willing to get the most out of this cool feature, let's get it started. So first off, launch the settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to scroll down a bit and select the accessibility option. Then you have to navigate to the speech section and select personal voice option. Then you have to tap on create a personal voice and follow the prompts to record your voice. Apple will ask you to speak specific phrases to generate a custom voice model. The process may take some time as your iPhone analyzes and creates the voice model. Therefore, make sure to be patient with it and go through the whole process to complete it. And now it's time to learn how to use a personal voice on your iPhone. To do so, launch the settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to select the accessibility option. And then you have to select the live speech option and turn it on. And under the live speech settings, choose your created personal voice. From now onward, during phone calls, FaceTime, or regular conversations, you can type message into the live speech interface and your iPhone will vocalize it in your personal voice. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily set up and use personal voice on your iOS device. Personal voice is a powerful feature designed to help users who may lose their ability to speak or who prefer using text-to-speech in their own voice. It's a great way to personalize your iPhone experience while maintaining accessibility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.